TMC has been building up strength within a longer term bullish trend, up 13.89%. This is Friday, the 28th of November 2025. It's equally trending, has been trending for some time now. In this pre market session, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape, not out of place. I might do so later on. The stock is equally heavily shorted. Okay. On the line trend, as indicated earlier on, strongly bullish. Okay, so this is the strength I'm talking about that has been building up, and it began on Monday, the 17th. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it's going to sustain it at least up to the 7th of up to the 8th of January. Okay, the 40-day moving average might pose some resistance in the interim, and during that time might consolidate with a distributive bias. But from the 23rd of December, it might resume the uptrend. Okay, current projections are currently saying 9.78. 11.17, 13.62, 15.14. The current price is 6.64. Okay, those are really ambitious projections. If it ever gets to retest 9.69, sorry, actually 9.78, then it might go ahead and retest its possibly all-time high or 52-week high of $10.69. Okay, momentum is expected to remain strong up to the close of today's trading session. Then after that, it might contract, but may remain strong at least up till the 9th of December. Okay, if momentum dissipates or disappears or decays or weakens, it does not mean that it wouldn't continue to show strength. Okay, so if a stock moves from a dollar to, let's say, $10, the momentum it takes it to do that will be far greater than maybe what it would take it to move to $20. From $10 to $20. So as I indicated earlier on, it is currently trending. We'll find out more about what's going on. Okay.
TMC is still trending as a wave of renewed retail interest hits the stock, sparked largely by comments from CFO Craig Shesky that many investors interpreted as a direct warning to short sellers. His remark that shorts could be in for a very bad day immediately ignited speculation across social media and trading communities, with many traders now watching for signs of a potential short squeeze. The buzz is amplified by a cluster of upcoming catalysts, including expected government decisions related to deep sea mining approvals, potential policy shifts, and broader signals of support for critical minerals development. A lot of the community discussion is centered around the idea that if TMC receives even a hint of government backing or regulatory momentum, the stock could re rate dramatically. Bullish sentiment is getting an extra boost from recent coverage in UBS Research and Nature, both spotlighting deep sea mining as a serious contender in the future critical minerals supply chain. For TMC followers, these mentions feel like validation that the industry is moving from niche speculation toward mainstream consideration. At the same time, traders are pointing to TMC's high short interest, arguing that any positive catalyst, policy news, partnerships, or new studies could tighten the coil and set off a squeeze. Others are focusing on the longer term fundamentals, emphasizing that if deep sea nodules gain regulatory approval, TMC could become a central player in supplying metals for EVs, batteries, and renewable energy infrastructure. Overall, the vibe is a mix of hype, hope, and high stakes speculation. Short sellers on alert, bulls smelling opportunity, and everyone watching closely for the next headline.
So this is its 4-hour chart. Okay, what we can see here is that even though it's up 14.92%, you can see it's actually contracting the expansion that happened at the close of when did it happen? It happened in the regular session of Wednesday the 26th. So it's contracting that expansion. Okay, so the extrapolation here is saying that that contraction may remain in place up till Wednesday the 3rd of December. The 40 period moving average is expected to catch any dip, any attempt to decline. Okay, and then after that, it might go it might go volatile again with an accumulative bias. Okay, Projections on this 4-hour chart are quite modest, not as ambitious as what we have on the daily chart. Beginning with the downward projections, we have 3.48, 3.87, 4.5, and 6.53 is the downward projection still, and then 7.16, 7.55. Indeed, there are a host of upper projections that you can possibly find. 10.69, probably it's all-time high or intraday high. We have it here actually here on the 4-hour chart. It's 11.17. Okay, yeah. Do we have anything more on? No, yeah. This is just an intraday high, maybe in the given interim, in the given period, $8.3. Okay. Let's see now. Let's see what how they are trading the stock so far. As I indicated earlier on, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far. Let's see what we have. Since it's a stock, a lot of people are watching and speculating about a short squeeze. It wouldn't be out of place to have a look at its options grid. Let's have a look at this. Not a lot. Not a lot. Not a lot have. Not okay. I think yesterday we observed. We have observed that the activity is mostly on this. Yeah, I think here on the December 19 series. Yeah, here they are clearly bullish. Option traders are clearly bullish, but I think for the ones expiring today, the 28, they're not exactly that bullish. That is based on what happened on Wednesday the 26th. There was no trading yesterday, the 27th. It was a holiday. Yeah, yeah. Even at that, I think are they even more bullish here? Are they more bullish here on the? They may still be. They still looks like yeah. They may still be more bullish on the call side of this and then November 28 series. Yeah, but in any case, let's see. Not a lot of activities going on. We could just have a look and see how they are trading the stock. Okay, spread is okay. Good now, better now, better now. Okay. Just keeps fluctuating. Not so wonderful because if you buy here and then you have to wait, you have to you immediately drop down to this, and then from here you see what can come up. I think it has worsened again. So there's some volatility problems, some liquidity problems, which is not out of place. This is still the not a regular session. So a lot can happen here. A lot raw pools can equally happen here, and all sort of things. But in the midst of all of that, I think people are still trying to they're still trying to discover prices regardless. Okay. So yeah, the stock is still trending. It was trending from the post-market session of Wednesday, the 26th. So let's see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.